Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to share a photo story with text on Facebook Web using your PC. With the new update, creating a Facebook story from your computer is now simpler, faster, and gives you more control over how your story looks before you share it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the Facebook homepage, look near the top of your feed, you'll see a section for stories. Click the button that says Create a Story. When the options appear, choose Create a Photo Story. This is where you'll upload the image you want to use. Click Upload Photo, then browse your computer for the picture you'd like to share. Once you've selected it, click Open, and Facebook will load it into the story editor. Now, you can crop, zoom, or rotate your picture to get the perfect view. Take a moment to adjust it just how you like before adding your text. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a text box. Click inside that box and type your message. You can express anything you want, maybe a short caption, a thought of the day, or a personal update. After typing, choose your preferred font style from the list to match your mood or aesthetic. The new update includes more text customization options, making your story look even more personal and creative. Once you're happy with how everything looks, your photo, your text, and your style, click Share to Story. Facebook will upload it right away, and your friends will be able to view it for the next 24 hours. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a photo story with text on Facebook Web using your PC. It's quick, easy, and a great way to stay connected and express yourself without needing the mobile app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.